Okay, so there's a new code in the game. So go to settings, type in the code, is type spoilers, I think, or was it spoiler? Yeah, it was spoilers. Okay, spoilers. Okay, and that should give you 40k game cash. And I'm going to be trying to get the new car. You guys might already know what I'm trying to get if you guys see the thumbnail. And I'm going to change this car color for a minute. Okay, I already can tell that you guys are not going to watch this. Nah, I don't care. I don't really care though. I just want to make videos for some reason. Probably tomorrow I'll be making kind of better. Not really. Because I play on mobile. I'm not a PC player. But I do know how to play on PC because I play PC a lot at home. Anyways, I'm going to be going to race over here. You guys can. So, I guess I'll see you guys in a bit. And yep. Okay, so I'm back and I didn't really get a lot. I mean, I did get a lot, but not enough. So, I'm going to see if I can do in the racetrack, maybe. Yeah, I'll go in the racetrack, I guess. Over here. Okay, I probably should have not turned that way. It would have been easier if I didn't turn. Okay, go over here. Alright. Whoops. Okay, backwards. Forward. Start. And probably 1/8. I don't know what 1/8 is. I forgot where that is. So I guess I'll do 1/8. Okay, never mind. It wasn't what I wanted, but okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright. After this, I'm gonna go to the racetrack, I think. Oops, I accidentally hit that. Okay, go back. I gotta go back. Oh, what the? Why am I keep on drifting? I don't like it. Okay, so, okay, so in here, I can probably do it. Or should I do that in the end? You know, I'll just do that in the end, I guess. Hopefully I can get it when I do that. Because I'm almost to 1,000,000. Okay, so I actually haven't done the other race in the mountains, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And I'll see you guys in a bit again. So, yep. Okay, never mind. I'm actually just gonna do this. Okay, gotta get off. Oh, 999. Okay, I'm already to 1,000,000. I just need to be in 300,000. I don't know how many races I need to go or need, but I guess I'll do it. Okay, so once I do the whoa, I almost crashed. Once I do the race on the mountain, I might do the off-roading race. What? Why? Okay, I guess I'll just go over here. Move. Change my car to this Koenigsegg, because I like Koenigsegg's. Okay, go over here, start, and do the mountain race. Oh, why did I see a black screen? Alright, and okay, I'll do 3 laps. I forgot how many game crash it will give you, but I think it will give you a lot. Okay, so my wheels just got stuck over there. So well, so let's do the second lap. Okay, don't crash again like last time. Alright, so far it's doing pretty well, except when you go too fast in the mountains, your car crashes. You go down, so that's what makes it makes a bit kind of hard. Not really hard. I can't drive backwards, so I'll just do this and then turn and go again. Okay, go over here. Don't fall, please. Okay. Let's go. Turn this way. And right. All the way to my 3rd lap. Go. 3rd lap. Go. Yeah, this is not that long. Only takes a few minutes. What, 2 or 3 minutes? I don't know. What? Why am I keep on doing that? You know. Oh my gosh. Okay, this race is alright. Not the best. Okay, so I'm back and I'm going to do the other race. Also, I'm gonna fast forward this. Okay, so I finally finished with this race, also the other one, and I can get this new car. I kind of like this new design. Kind of reminds me of the other car, which I can't get because I have 2 Robux and I can't really do anything with it. All I can do is it. Oh wow, this is nice. Except the game is broken right now, or the server for me. I wish you can put spoiler. I was going to put that rims, but I don't have enough. So I'm gonna go ahead and drive around with this car, and I'll see you guys next time or in the other video.